Table manners can be different everywhere. Let's learn how people eat in other countries. Thailand. Don't put forks in your mouth. China. An empty plate means, I want more. Leave some food on your plate. Italy. Don't ask for more cheese. India. Eat with your right hand only. Japan. Don't pass food with chopsticks. Philippines. You can burp after eating. These rules are fun to know. Try them when you visit new places.